The device will be the retail version of the Apex concept phone and already appeared in a video of a popular video channel in China, called Unicorn Show. The video points out the massive screen with a comparison to the iPhone X, which surely looks staged. People are also surprised by the periscope camera that comes out of the top bezel. You can also see there is no fingerprint scanner, meaning it will most likely be under the display. At least 2 Vivo Nex phones are expected, one true flagship, likely called NEX-S, and another, aimed at the upper mid-range market, probably called NEX-A. Full specs of the latter appeared online, leaving nothing to the imagination. The Vivo Nex-A will come with Snapdragon 710 chipset. It has an octa-core CPU, 2 high-powered Cortex-A75 cores at 2.2 GHz and 6 Cortex-A55 units at 1.7 GHz for performance. The RAM is listed as 6 GB, while the memory will be 128 GB. The screen will be 6.59 Full HD Plus panel with an extremely tall 2316x1080 resolution that goes somewhere between 19:9 and 20:9. Size-wise, the tall body will have room for a 4000 mAh battery that supports fast 22.5W charging. The slick back has room for a vertical dual camera setup that will be 12p plus 5MP, while the periscope selfie snapper is listed as 8MP. Connectivity will be dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, USB 2.0 and some LTE. Since not all 4G bands are listed, a global device is likely to arrive later.